Shalom good people, welcome back to the channel. Check out my GoPro Hero 8 Black. This is what I've been vlogging with for the last 3 years, but it has finally come to the end of its life.
Oh no.
So it's time to do an unboxing of the new GoPro Hero Black Creator Edition, which goes for 2,749 shekel here in the land of Israel. It's around about $700 US.
What?
But what I want to show you guys is what this kit includes. So future vlogs coming to you from this unboxing. Right, check out this neat case. Really nifty. Nice size, strong zip. And let's see what's inside. Ooh, this is like a quick instruction card. You've got all of your information brochures. Let's start with what we can see here. I hope you guys can see it well. This is the light mod, which is really cool. I've never had this before. And you can see it's even got a little connection here that can charge it. That is your light mod, which will go on your media mod. Now this is what I was really excited to look at and see. First time touching this. This is the Volta. It's a grip that also turns into a tripod and connects with the GoPro. Extended battery life with this plugged in. You've got all of your buttons to activate your different features, and it also turns into a little tripod. This will be a very useful tool for me. There we go. Now let's get to this. This is also something really nifty. This is the media mod, which goes over the GoPro, which allows you to have an external mic. This is the Enduro battery. Very nice. Let's see the device itself. Okay, there she is. Slightly bigger than the GoPro Hero Black. Let's take off the back here. Look at that display screen, beautiful. Oh, I like this mottled speckled finish. Front display. Slowly take out the sticker here. And here we go.
Oh yeah.
She's a beauty. Right. Now let's see what's at the bottom of the box here. Cables. This is the actual mic that goes on the media mod. And let me put it all together and show you what it looks like.
A few moments later.
And there we go, friends. All parts connected, nicely assembled. I've put on the media mod. So here you can see the microphone. Let's check out the light. Ooh, fancy. Ah, check that out. It even goes brighter and brighter. Oh, and we can even flash people. That's awesome. Really going to enjoy this feature. I'm sure you've seen some of my vlogs in the past have been a bit too dark. No longer. A very good morning. Shmuel Chantal, the running tour guide. It is pitch dark. You're probably only seeing my light. You have no clue who I'm with. But I'm with another blonde running tour guide. Let's switch this off. And let's check out the display. Let's put it on for the first time. Nice, look at that display. GoPro ready to go. And it's all going to be in English. So English vlogs coming to you from the land of Israel. I'm looking forward to bringing you beautiful scenery of this gorgeous land. I'm heading up to Jerusalem now to meet a friend, Akiva. And we're going to run in the rolling hills of Jerusalem at sunset. So I'm going to test it out. And maybe I'll just pop a little scene at the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing. And this was an unplanned purchase as my GoPro Hero 8 Black decided to leave me. But there's blessing in disguise. In the midst of the war, we've got this to bring you good news and to spread light from this precious holy land. Peace out, everybody. See you soon. We've arrived in the beautiful hills of Jerusalem. The sun is setting. We're going to do a 36-kilometer run. What's inside here? Salt? Apples? Freshly squeezed. Okay, we'll see you en route. Let's get going. Let's switch on the light to check how this works. Oh, beautiful. Peace out.